Let's go! Guys, we're heading out to the meet. Fort Myers car meet. We've got meeting up with Jack. Jack's gonna meet us. They said the Straight Pipe Ranger, so you guys are in for a treat. It's gonna be a wild meet. They got burgers, they got chicken. We're gonna get into something after the meet too. That's the plan. Let's get it, guys. We're headed to the highway right now to meet up with them, and then we're riding out to Fort Myers. Let's get it, guys. We'll see you when we catch up with Jack. Let's get it. It's gonna be a good night. We found him! Come across the first victim of the night. Oh, possum here, guys. Couldn't make it at the car meet.
Cuando pasa por el bloque, quiero saber dónde está su casa. A mañana llevarle flores. Te consigo que te digo que no teníamos mucho. Yo soy niña con quien
Yo, actually, you could have put the replay over here, bro.
Alright, not bad. Yeah, it smells better, man.
Oh shit, it's Durango.
Yo, where's the law shit at?
Where's the law at? It's in the chat.
Does he still have that yellow?
Prende, dale dos pa' que lo pase. Prende, dale dos pa' que lo pase. Prende, dale dos pa' que lo pase. Prende, dale dos pa' que lo pase.
No, that's the older one.
He's just fucking shit.
Oh, fucking shit.
Yo, where's Biggie?
It's a drift car.
Where's Biggie?
Where's Biggie when you need him?
Does he still have the 335?
Yeah, alright, I think he got a F-54.
Yeah, so yes.
He bought another motor or another car?
I know he got a fast one. Damn. Oh, sorry, look.
No.
showering or what?
Yeah. I got you. Jack said he's looking.
We'll put a Ranger on the line.
We got C10.
I bring my C10.
C10 ready next weekend.
They
don't want that.
They're all cooked, bro.
I think there's more over there.
Might want to. Oh.
I like that tag.
Wheelie.
I like that tag on the rear view. E85.
Yeah, it saves. It's good for gas mileage. Fuck, I should prank that couple right there.
Oh,
Get them on video.
Oh yeah.
Stop it, Victor.
Project Tory.
Cause
You think you could beat this?
this is a second truck. It's the same car that's here. That's the machine in the middle of the window.
You should race this. It's got the gap camera on.
Oh shit.
There's a white Ranger over there. We should
Dude,
take
somebody's
that.
selling cologne? Oh hell no, that's the Facebook Marketplace.
2 for 160. You got me.
Oh, that's a steal.
That's those videos you
85
can fucking
each?
films.
You should go over there with the camera and be like, hey, I'm a famous YouTuber around these parts.
I work for Louis Vuitton.
Let-
Why
you
are
should
you
be like,
Let me
selling?
promote your business.
Yeah, say that, and then be like, okay, where's your license to sell?
Like everybody,
Be like, where's your permit to sell?
everything in the gas station is free for 2 minutes. I'm gonna pay for it.
That shit.
They're gonna be like, ha, you get nothing.
Dude, what if I hear like,
Yeah, that. How'd you know what to do?
I knew he was going to.
Huh?
How'd you know to do that?
Dumbassery.
Holy shit.
And the fact that that's not the first time I've done stupid shit like that.
Oh, he's coming back. Get ready again.
Round 2, I'm gonna put the other one out.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, I hope that's a fucking fire hose. I hope that's a fire hose.
Bro, what
Fucking
the
grass caught on fire.
I saw the kid running to fucking go spit on it.
He got it in 4K. I asked him, I was like, how'd you know what to do? He was like, oh, I've done that before. Really? That was great. I think he's gonna do it again. Look, we're checking it. Come over here. This thing's probably glowing red.
Oh, wait.
He said, I'll do it. Oh my God. want to do it again, I'll do it again.
I think it's the blinker fluid. he's like, dude, I think it's the blinker fluid. And these kids are like,
The kid with the car is like, I'm gonna do it again, guys. I'm gonna do it again. He's like, I'm ready to do it again.
which one is he?
Dude, he's got a sub and then like a Pittsburgh Jack in the back.
Which one?
It's like a homemade sub box.
Who's the owner?
Come over here, come.
No,
Yeah.
no, I don't.
I'm not talking to nobody.
The kid that just drank that.
Dude, it's like a homemade sub box. Fucking massive. There's like no room to drive.
I want to get anywhere over there.
His friends are like, yeah, burn the grass again. Do it.
Where did he burn the grass? Right there.
That shit looks good. Oh, I'm chilling, but it looks good.
There's radio detection and range detection radar sensor. Yes, it was. That was the Beetle.
Yes, it was.
Oh shit! That sounds like it was running away. What was that? He almost lost it. He almost lost it twice. Carson almost got his shit whacked, bro. Carson's car almost got whacked.
Yes.
Oh fuck.
I think he crashed.
I don't know. That drive these Dodge, bro, are just fucking posers, bro. They can't drive it, bro.
No.
They feel
Most
it
of these
spin out, bro,
people,
and they're just stepping on the
80% of the people here can't drive.
Yeah, bro.
If their shit gets loose, their tires get loose, they're crashing.
Yeah, because they're slamming on their fucking brakes, bro.
Yeah, their counter steer is fucking.
like crazy, bro. And just once that wheels, if they have a high wheel speed and it's spinning,
They don't know what to do. Yeah.
They're like, is it spinning? And then when it's out of control, bro.
Slam the brakes, yeah. Let's hear it.
Come on, sugar.
Fucking needs an exhaust, bro. The 330 sounds better.
On the rear, like, quarterback.
Shit needed an exhaust, though.
You just put that on.
It was the guy, it was the Corvette. He doing that shit on purpose. What the fuck?
Right on park here, sir.
Right for my video.
Yo, he just gets out, tackles me, puts me behind his back.
Dude, I'll get that all on video. Oh, look at all the people up there.
It's like one from each corner.
They probably called the cops.